How do you define good hair? Well, we believe that good hair refers to strong, hydrated, silky hair that lacks dryness and dullness. However, very few people are lucky enough to have good hair, as pollution and poor eating schedule has worsened the hair quality. Hello everyone, this is Margesh Rai and you are watching Swadesi VIP. In this video, we are going to throw light on the health benefits of milk for hair growth. An individual feels low and lacks confidence due to an itchy scalp and rough and tangled hair. Drinking milk and applying it to the hair will produce good results. Yes, milk is a powerful dairy tonic that will help you get the hair that you admire. It is believed that Egyptian queen Cleopatra used to apply milk on hair and consume it regularly. Maybe that was one of the key secrets behind her amazing personality, for what she has received immense love and attention. Friends, since childhood, we have been forced to drink milk. You might have heard curated stories about it and its benefits from your dadi and nani. There was a time when hair loss, baldness, and dry and dull hair were not viewed as major issues, as people were left with beautiful and dense hair without putting in the extra effort. With time, things have changed. Now, taking care of hair is something that people have to look after in order to get rid of messy and unattractive hair. Now, let's move directly to the benefits of milk for hair growth. As it's a proven rich source of keratin, it encourages hair growth. Also, it is packed with the goodness of calcium. Consuming milk on a regular basis promotes calcium intake in the body. It increases hair thickness. The calcium content in milk is responsible for hair growth at an accelerating pace. The trio of vitamins, biotin and potassium provides a shining touch to tresses. Also, applying milk to the hair on a frequent basis makes it silky. It is one of the vital benefits of milk for hair growth. Milk is a natural moisturizing agent and conditioner for hair. After cleansing your hair with shampoo, use a towel to make your hair dry. After that, apply milk to your damp hair and let it soak the milk for about half an hour. Eventually, rinse it with water in the same manner as you wash off your conditioner. One of the key benefits of milk is that it untangles your tangled hair. We all know that tangled hair is a nightmare for a significant number of folks, especially those who prefer keeping long hair. Thus, applying milk loaded with nourishing properties of biotin untangles the tangled hair and eliminates dryness. Vitamin D in milk boosts the new hair follicles and carves the path for their consistent growth. The flaky dead skin cells worsen the scalp's appearance and cause itching and irritation. Thus, taking advantage of the cleansing properties of milk and let milk remove the dead skin cells present on the scalp. A2 beta casein protein is present in 100% pure and organic milk obtained from desi cows. Consumption of this A2 protein rich desi cow milk loaded with calcium is an excellent source of strong and flourishing hair. Furthermore, it prevents hair loss. It minimizes split ends and increases the possibility of hair growth. When you apply cold milk to your scalp, it leaves a soothing and nurturing effect. It portrays the part of a scalp toner that eliminates dandruff and prevents its further spread. As it can keep dandruff away, it's in use. Now we will shed light on milk, which is deemed best for hair. Milk obtained from desi cow breeds of India such as Gir, Sahiwal, Rathi, Ongol, Badri, Tharparkar, etc. is best for hair growth. This form of dairy goodness ensures healthy and strong hair and reduces the scope for baldness and hair loss. It is one of the most effective dairy sources for attaining gorgeous and growing hair. Friends, it's a known fact that A2 milk constitutes protein, calcium, potassium, zinc, vitamin A, vitamin B and D, omega 3 and 6 fatty acids, etc. It promotes hair growth, provides strength to hair particles, brings shine, eliminates dullness and maintains the natural goodness of hair. Besides being a hair conditioner, it removes the dead cells attached to the scalp. The golden benefits of A2 milk for skin, eyes, stomach, liver, heart, etc. make it an in-demand dairy item. I hope you have learnt the incredible benefits of milk for hair growth. So this was all about the topic, and for more information related to the benefits of dairy products, keep watching our YouTube channel. Jai Gaumata.